Hello and welcome back. Today we meet Professor Fabrizio Pirri of the Politecnico di Torino, an expert in the physics of matter, technologies for the realization of devices, especially sensors, and spoke for's scientific representative.
Le finalità dello spoke sono concentrate.
The aims of this spoke are focused on the in vitro production of metabolic neurodegenerative oncological pathologies.
What does in vitro production of pathologies mean?
It simply means that we will try to produce pathologies in test tubes, in devices that are usually called scaffolds, which are polymer structures in which cells are harnessed. These cells can grow and give rise to a pathology-like structure in humans. Let us think of the tumour, which is the easiest thing. The tumour inside a human being has a progression linked to the organ it is attacking. We will try to produce inside a test tube the evolution of a tumour pathology exactly as if the pathology were evolving inside a human being.
The aim of your spoke?
To have the possibility to study the evolution of a pathology inside a test tube. Therefore, more easily reachable, more easily circumscribed, especially in terms of being able to study and test how cancer drugs linked to neurodegenerative pathologies, think of Alzheimer's senile dementia, or linked to metabolic pathologies and diabetes, work in a model very similar to how the drug would intervene in the human being without having to go through the human being. If I can get the pathology inside a test tube to evolve exactly as it evolves in a human being, I've hit the jackpot. Because the drug will act exactly as it does in a human being, and then I can develop a model that allows me to better study the evolution of the pathology and better study the drug's intervention.
There is talk of personalized medicine. Why?
Imagine a human being with an oncological pathology. Imagine taking cells from this oncological pathology and putting them in the test tube that we have developed and growing a tumour that is identical to that of the patient. I can then go and find the anti-cancer drug specifically for the patient, and then I can do what is called personalized medicine. So, what is the purpose of this spoke? To simulate a pathology, to produce the effects of drugs on this pathology, to personalize the pathology, to provide data for other spokes.
Can you remind us of the other participants in this spoke?
In particular, some 10 universities and industries at national level participate in spoke, such as the Politecnico di Torino, spoke leader, the CNR, Italian National Research Council, San Raffaele University, spoke co-leader, Bambin Gesù Hospital, the University of Turin, as well as the private company Idzoon, the Caldirolo Oncological, IRCCS, Scientific Institute for Research, Hospitalization and Healthcare, the TGEM, Teleton Institute of Genetics and Medicine, in Naples, to the Federico II University, the Higher Institute of Health, then IRCCS, EMEST, IFO and IEO.
We thank you for being with us. See you again soon.